Hello everyone, this is Rajiv from TechBigyaan. Today we are going to learn about PowerToys in Windows 10. So what is Microsoft PowerToys? Microsoft PowerToys is a set of utilities for power users to tune and streamline their Windows experience for productivity. Let us go to Google, or we can search Google for Microsoft PowerToys. Here the first link is for the GitHub website. So let's go there. So let's click the link. You can see the overview and the source code. So here you can see every information about the PowerToys. You can copy the source code and here are the different features of Microsoft PowerToys. Finish. After the installation is completed, go to the system tray and click the PowerToys icon. Click to run as administrator for more features. You might need to reboot the computer. After that again click. Here you can change the appearance and behavior, or dark mode, or light mode, or system default. Now let us see the features provided by the PowerToys. There are different features and different tools in PowerToys, such as Fancy Zones, File Explorer, Image Resizer, Keyboard Manager, and Power Rename, PowerToys Run, and Shortcut Guide. Here I am going to discuss only two tools, that are Fancy Zones and PowerToys Run. Here, so in Fancy Zone, we can enable or disable the Fancy Zone by enabling or disabling button. You can turn on and off. Fancy Zone are like tiles for separating different applications in that tile. So I can choose the given with the custom grid, or I can increase or decrease the grids according to the layouts. I can choose the layout for the desktop, which can be grid or rows or columns or focus, priority grid, or I can choose my own layout with custom settings. So let me choose the first the grid layout. I can disable the shift key and I can direct resize it. Here we can see there are two grids in this layout. I can drag and change, or by enabling the hold shift key, I can hold the shift key and change, drag and drop. Now let's go into the editor. Now I can increase the numbers of grid from 1 to 3, as many as we want. You can see there are 3 applications aligned. I can interchange them, I can create another. So for custom, I can make, let's go to the custom. So we create a new custom. So you can add different zones. So first, let me create a random zones. I can add as much any zones as I want. So now I can select my custom layout. So I can drag and drop it in the position in the zones I want. So there you go. In this way we can use the fancy zones in Windows 10. So File Explorer we can enable and disable for to preview the file format such as Markdown or SVG format. We can preview. To resize the image we can use image resize tool. Now for the PowerToys. Now for the PowerToys run, I can select the shortcut key for search. There is Windows search, but it is an alternative to Windows search. Many people prefer for its better findings. So now in PowerToys run, I can enable it and I can change the shortcut key. Here I will use Alt space and maximum number of results will be 4. So let me try Alt space. So let me try Alt space. So in this way we can search through PowerToys run. Microsoft PowerToys can be installed in Windows 10, 1803 or any other higher builds of Windows 10. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel for more awesome contents. Thank you very much.